Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do the second of two shots with the Pavoni Professionals. This one also, we did the complete gasket rebuild. We did a tighten up on a loose base. We also had to add a new top and a new sleeve. This machine came out really good. We appreciate the repair. Let's see how the shot comes out. Bring water into the chamber, and now on some nice fresh coffee. That feels great. Look at that, it's all crema. That was really smooth. Let's check the steam. Look at that, pressure held really good. Both of them are at the same pressure. Nice. Strong, dry steam. There you have it. Thank you very much for pairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Pavoni. We love these. Please like this video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.